Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will show you the side hustles that you can do. The first is Respondent.io. On this website, the companies are searching for the participants who do the research. So let's jump in. You have to just sign up, and you have to sign up as a participant in this. Once you go through the login process and you have signed up over the site, you can earn approximately $100 an hour on this website. Yes guys, it is $100 an hour. If you see the screen, the people are making $160 an hour just for the voiceovers. Many more companies who are looking for monitoring strategy for the cloud, and $150 they are making for some application. So there are tons of opportunities you can earn on this website. So just don't wait, let's jump in and just make some money. And the best part is, people can make by sitting at home. And it can be done in very small amount of time, 45 minutes or 60 minutes or 90 minutes, and you can earn $100 an hour. So just don't wait, just jump in. The second site which I would be going to tell you is pocketgigs.com. On this website you can make a small amount of money, but you can make it instantly, and this site is very good for the small influencer and everyone. And they have many programs. You have to just log in, okay, or just create your account, and after creating your account you have to go to micro jobs. As soon as you go into the micro jobs, you will see tons of jobs here where you can make money. It is a small dollar amount of money, but you can make instantly. As I have also checked it out, they pay you instantly. And for the small jobs you can just do it, and these jobs are not more than a minute job. So if you can make money within a minute, approximately $1 or $2 for your side hustle, it is really very good. So just don't waste your time and just start earning. On this site you can do many of those surveys, and in this surveys you can earn up to $4 as well. $4 just for a survey. Sitting at home at night and you are not doing anything, then this is a good place to earn at least a small dollar amount. And the payment is very instant, so do your task and just finish it off and you can just earn the money. So let's don't waste time. in 2 minutes, and you can finish those surveys within those 2 minutes. So just don't waste time. Now the third site is voice.com. On this website, many of the big companies are looking for the voiceovers for their products. So if you say these companies are offering many jobs and these are highly paid jobs, you can make approximately $300 to $400 even in minutes. So let's not wait for more, and you can just earn $300 to $400 within minutes just for doing a voiceover. This company is a legit website and it is based out of London, Ontario from Canada since 2005. So if you say there are many jobs here where you can earn $250 within minutes, and you just require to do just the voiceovers, okay, and it is just 20-second video or 44 seconds, and you can earn between $500 to $749, which is amazing. I haven't seen any of the side hustle websites or places where you can earn this much of money in just less time. So even though if you can just do something with your voice, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more of these type of videos.